Welcome back to my channel. Today also I brought another interesting one. It is a birthday spa gift basket and relaxing set for girlfriends, wife, mom, sister, female friends and co-workers. It is a nice one. It is about 23 US dollars. See that it is a nice one for you. About this item, it's a birthday gift for women and also gift for women and spa gift for women and perfect gift idea for women. Gift message ready. See this one, customers usually keep this item. This product has fewer returns than average compared to similar products. I think this is a nice one. You have to choose this one. I believe that this will make you more happy. Look at this picture also. We'll see what is inside this one. And also this one also, my last nerve. And this one also, look at this. You can keep a message here. It's a hand cream, very nice one. And these photos also you can see that available. It's a salt and diamond soap. There are a few photos also. Various gift choices for you. It's a birthday gift for women, Mother's Day gift, Valentine's Day gift, Christmas gift. I think this will make you more happy. So my dear friends, I request you to come to the link in my video description and buy a one. So birthday spa gift basket and relaxing sets for girlfriends. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.